Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we'll guide you through the process of creating body measurements for making top basic pattern. So grab your measuring tape and let's get started. The first step is to gather the necessary tools. You will need a flexible measuring tape, a pen and some paper to record your measurements. And here's my miniature mannequin. The reason why I use this mini mannequin is that I would make more videos to create clothes based on my mini mannequin measurements. So don't worry if you don't have one, you can use your mannequin or your own body. Just make sure to have a friend or family member assist you for more accurate results. Begin by taking the basic measurements. First, measure your bust by wrapping the tape around the fullest part of your bust. But remember, leave about 2 fingers of space so that it's not too tight or too loose. Next, measure your waist. Find the narrowest part of your waist, typically an inch or 2 above your belly button, and wrap the tape around it. Now, measure your hips. Look at the widest part of your hips, usually 7 to 9 inches below your waist, and wrap the tape around this area. For additional measurements, let's start with the shoulder width. Measure the length of the shoulder from the base of the neck to the shoulder joint. To determine the back length, measure from the base of your neck, where it meets your shoulders, down to the natural waistline. For sleeve length, measure from the outer edge of your shoulder down to your desired sleeve length. This will determine how long your sleeves will be. Next, let's measure the thigh length. Place the measuring tape under your waist on the side of your body and measure down to the desired length of your thigh. Next, let's measure the skirt length. Place the measuring tape under your waist on the side of your body and measure down to your desired length of the skirt. This will determine how long your skirt will be. Lastly, measure your neck circumference by wrapping the tape around the base of your neck. Once you've taken all the measurements, double-check them for accuracy. It's always a good idea to measure each area at least twice to minimize errors. Now record your measurements clearly, labeling each one for easy reference. These measurements will serve as a starting point for creating your blouse, dress, or skirt pattern. Remember, as you gain more experience and practice, you refine your measurements and pattern making skills. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we'll dive into the exciting world of pattern making. Bye bye now and thank you for watching.